to move 42 to the next page. Let's make that 42. In 42, we have another fractional equation. This time, we have 2x plus 5 over 5 equals 3x plus 1 over 2 plus negative x plus 7 over 2. Okay, now notice these on the right have a common denominator, so we can go ahead and combine those. 3x minus x is 2x. 1 plus 7 is 8. And that's going to be over 2. So our lowest common denominator is 5 times 2 would be 10. So I want to multiply by 10 over 1 on both sides. So that's going to leave me a 5. I'm going to think of that as, and that's going to be a 2. So we're going to have 4x plus 10 distributing a 2 and 10x plus 40 distributing a 5. And let's get our x's together. So we get 10 equals 6x plus 40. I'm going to move the constant terms over together. I get negative 30 equals 6x. And dividing by 6 means x equals negative 5. So in 42, we end up with negative 5. Okay, I think I'll skip over 46. That you can do pretty well with a calculator, I think. So I think I'll just skip over that and move on to number 42. Here we're to decide whether the equation is conditional, an identity, or a contradiction. And we're to give the solution set if in any of those cases. So let's look at what we mean in this case. Negative 2 times 2x minus 3 plus 4. Okay, so we want to solve this for x. So on the left side we have negative 6x plus 2x is negative 4x minus 11. Distribute, we get negative 4x plus 6 plus 4. So if we add 4x to both sides to get the x's together, notice what happens. 6 plus 4 is going to be 10. So we have negative 11 is equal to 10, which is a contradiction, because we know that negative 11 is not equal to 10. So that means our empty set will be the solution set. So we have no solution there. Okay, 58, we have 4 times 6 minus 1 plus 2x in parentheses, close the square brackets, plus 10x equals 2 times 10 minus 3x plus 8x. Okay, so let's see what we get in this case. We want to distribute the negative 1, so it's going to be a minus 1 minus 2x and distribute the 2. So here we're getting 24 minus 4 minus 8x plus 10x. Okay, so I'm getting 20 plus 2x equals 20 plus 2x. And as soon as I recognize that I have the same thing on both sides, I could subtract the 2x's from both sides and get 20 equals 20. But anyway, as soon as I recognize that I have the same quantity on both sides, that means we have an identity. And the solution set will be all real numbers. Now, if you get a conditional equation, of course, you should come out with a single solution, x equal to some number. So that takes care of the problems for section 7.2.